Welcome to an overview of tracking project performance, where data-driven insights meet strategic alignment. In this talk, we focus on making performance visible, optimizing efficiency, and aligning delivery with business goals. The visuals on the right hint at dashboards and magnified metrics that help teams and leaders make timely, informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. Cost variance is simply earned value minus actual cost, and this slide shows how positive and negative signals guide budget decisions. When earned value exceeds cost, you have surplus room for reallocation, while overruns demand immediate attention. The graphic links early detection to root cause analysis and corrective adjustments so financial gaps are prevented before they escalate. Here we break down schedule variance using budgeted cost of work performed versus scheduled work, with the example showing BCWP below BCWS and a negative result. That negative SV flags potential delays and prompts proactive management, while a positive value means progress is ahead. The takeaway is to treat SV as an early warning tool that drives timely interventions. This slide introduces two simple indices that quantify project health: Cost Performance Index as EV over AC, and Schedule Performance Index as EV over PV. Values above one signal efficient performance, either under budget or ahead of schedule, while values below one point to risks that need corrective action. Use these indices to monitor trends rather than single data points. Tracking estimated versus actual time and cost exposes estimation biases and helps refine future plans. The charts compare planned timelines and budgets against what actually happened, highlighting where estimates were optimistic or pessimistic. Those insights feed back into planning to reduce variance, anchor schedules and budgets in reality, and improve forecast accuracy. Scope creep and unplanned tasks can quietly erode project value. So this slide shows a measurement framework comparing baseline scope to creep. By quantifying deviation, you can set a low creep target that protects core metrics like budget, schedule, and quality. Keeping creep in check preserves stakeholder expectations and maintains team capacity. Velocity in project management tracks completed story points per sprint and reveals capacity trends that power realistic forecasting. A steady, upward, or consistent velocity enables predictable commitments, supports roadmap forecasting, and provides buffers for estimation error. The visual emphasizes that data-driven velocity helps teams and leaders plan reliable releases with greater confidence. Sprint burndown charts visualize daily remaining work against time and make progress tangible. The ideal trend versus actual line shows healthy steep descents when work is being completed and plateaus when blockers appear. These charts foster team accountability, surface impediments early, and trigger timely actions to keep the sprint on track. Cycle time analysis measures the duration from user story initiation to completion and reflects workflow efficiency. Shorter, consistent cycles indicate smooth operations, while long tails point to bottlenecks or constraints. Use cycle time to highlight process delays, guide work in progress, limit adjustments, and optimize flow for more predictable delivery. This slide maps practical methods for tracking performance from daily status snapshots to milestone gating, variance analysis, and earned value forecasting. Each method gives a different view of reality, combining operational visibility with strategic control and predictive insights. Together, they create a continuous feedback loop that supports informed, timely decision-making. Automated project tracking ties tools together to provide real-time visibility and reduce manual effort by auto-calculating KPIs, generating dashboards, and triggering alerts. The strategic payoff is faster, proactive decisions, fewer manual errors, and more time for leaders to focus on high-value initiatives. Automation turns raw data into actionable foresight. Iterative learning and continuous improvement close the loop by turning retrospective insights into process changes. Reviewing KPI trends leads to adjusted processes, updated estimation models, rebalanced resources, and refined risk responses. That cycle elevates future predictability and stakeholder satisfaction while embedding a rhythm of ongoing improvement into how teams operate.